So this file was passed. I don't know who took the time to do this, but somebody went through every a cappella vocal track of a Michael Jackson song and clipped out all of his unique vocal ticks.
Noises.
This.
Oh, this is the sound of the wild Michael Jackson. No, I probably shouldn't say this, but I'm going to grab him by his nutsack and see what sounds he makes.
You don't have to grab him by his...
Just that right there. What is he doing?
I don't know. If I knew what songs these were from...
I feel like we need the whacking...
Sounds like he's running.
We need the jerking it sound to go with that.
Wait.
You know, I mean...
Yeah. Sounds like he's running up the stairs.
He's certainly not falling down the stairs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, he made it to the top now.
Yeah.
He stepped on a nail.
Yep.
He sat on a porcupine.
You notice, like, in the very background, you hear, like, foot stomping or some shit?
I think he's, like, snapping his fingers or clapping.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's, like, stomping his foot. He's getting into it, man.
Yeah.
That boy's really getting into it.
He really gets into his vocal.
Yeah.
Now those little sounds like the noise you make when you jump in a video game.
Da 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 da.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta jump over this Koopa. There we go.
Yep. Jerry writing in, he actually dances around when he records his songs.
I believe it.
Yeah, I believe it.
Oh yeah. I mean, I'm sure he gets into it.
That was someone grabbing his ass. So listen to that. Someone grabbed his ass.
Yeah, they grabbed his ass. Exactly.
That's the sound I make when someone grabs my ass. Well, no, not really.
What?
What?
What the? Wait. What?
Starting his car? I don't know.
Oh, yeah. He's...
Yeah.
I don't want to know. Wait. Like, that sounds dirty. That sounds real dirty. Back that up.
Yeah.
I love that. Right at the end of all that. Yeah.
So when Michael Jackson reaches his pinnacle, he goes,
Michael Jackson.
Jackson. Oh, I see what you did there.
See what I did there?
Yeah. Yeah.
It was a delayed reaction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like dancing around.
I don't know what he's. Yeah.
Come on, listen. I don't understand.
I don't either. Was he crying?
She's out of his life.
I guess.
That's what's going on.
Brad's writing in, damn those sounds. What the fuck was he doing while recording? I don't know. That must have been a big load.
Sweat on, baby.
I want to hear the outtakes.
Yeah, no shit.
Is it an in-studio orgy now?
I don't know.
Wait, was he sleeping?
Oh. Now, wait, what is that?
He was gargling, I think, with...
It sounded like he was taking a piss. You know what it is when you're left holding a piss for a really long time?
yeah.
When you first, like, when you finally get to the bathroom and you're like at the edge of bursting and you're like, it's that first, like, initial relief of peeing and it's like, oh. You know? Yeah, that's it. He's
I like right in the studio floor. He's like,
yeah, right. Yeah,
I gotta go,
just
man.
can't, like, yeah, well, you know, when you gotta go, time is money in the studio.
Okay, that was him passing a kidney stone.
Yeah, probably. Dude, we should isolate these and make some of them like the you know, in our Loving You remix.
Oh God. Is he in labor? Says Brad.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Or the Mortal Kombat thing.
No, there's
There it is.
there's a
Wait a minute.
Wait, he just fell down.
He just fell down a well.
That was him. That was down the shaft. Oh God, there's gonna. You know what? That's gonna have to get.
Missy's writing in, some of these sounds are truly disturbing. No human male should ever squeal and scream like this. I like that one. It sounds like he's falling down an elevator shaft.
It does. You could make like the Michael Jackson video game.
Quincy Jones opened the trap door in the studio. It's like,
Yeah.
The Alpha Slayer writing in.
Shit.
The Alpha Slayer writing in, not part of the song, I Can't Breathe.
Thud.
Eden Kaiser writing in, some of these sound like someone having a major orgasm. Yeah, that's kind of...
Recording a song while sleeping. Right,
MJ was really a pro.
MJ was really, yeah.
Yeah.
It's tough for you to be that. Woo!
Oh, wait. What is this?
I'm pretty sure.
I don't know if this is a recording session or a night at a Neverland Ranch.
God damn it, get out of my head. I quit. Why? Why do
Why?
you do this?
Maybe it's just because they're too easy. Wait.
Sounds like the Knights of
Knights at the Neverland Ranch.
God, I was just about to say. The sad thing is, I almost said it word for word too.
Yeah. Jesus.
Ugh.
Brad's writing in, he possibly fell in and died. And sounds like he's having a seizure. I think I've heard animals make those noises.
Yeah. Oh, probably shouldn't say this, but I'm gonna grab the Michael Jackson's ass and see what he does.
Wow. The Alpha Slayer also writing in, he fell in and died. Jerry writing in, could it be him and Bubbles? Tune writing in, Michael Jackson sounds like he's having a seizure. Listen carefully, and you'll hear him say, "Stop fucking with me."
Can we make like a Mortal Kombat character using
I
all
was
these
just
sounds?
thinking that.
God damn it! Really?
Dude, what
No.
the fuck? The more we do this show. Oh my
What is
God.
wrong with us?
Oh, Sklosty's sending us something unrelated in the DMs.
Oh no, we don't want to hear that.
No.
No, Sklos. I get to hear that whenever I fart.
Timothy
Makes you
Rennigan,
wonder what he was banging on.
I don't know if I want to know.
Bubbles.
Warhawk writing in, these can make great ringtones.
That fucking done me.
Oh.
That fucking done me.
Stuff fucking to me.
That's a text tone right there.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of text tones in here.
That fucking done me.
Jesus. Someone really must have grabbed him hard there.
Whoa,
What?
yeah.
Wait.
That was him falling down the stairs. He's like jumping around.
Yeah, I know. Warhawk writing in, these can also make great car horns. Timothy writing in, how many takes was that? Was he a little flat?
Did you just insert something? No. That's
No.
all part of the clip.
These are all from different songs,
we have
I think.
not touched these.
No, we've done nothing. Alpha Slayer writing in, I think he said, stop fucking the bee. Ow.
Stop fucking the bee.
No.
Maybe
was
like
not-
the spelling bee.
Maybe.
Maybe like people are fucking it up and he's tired of it.
Maybe.
I don't know, man. That's
That's
Michael
special.
Jackson, man.
Look, I like Michael Jackson's music, okay? And I mean, I do. I won't lie. You know, he was a phenomenal entertainer. Sounded like those damn recording sessions were exhausting, though.
Yeah.
Imagine, like, whoever. I feel sorry for the engineer, like, trying to, Mike, we need a level. Can you stop dancing? Just
Yeah, stop
for 5 minutes. We can't. I can imagine what mixing his vocal was like.
It must have sucked.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Drink.
Yeah.
Oh,
So-
I'm so tired of us saying the same goddamn thing.
I think it's funny.
I'm disturbed.
Oh, well, great minds think alike. One day we'll have great minds on this show.
I was going to say, where are the great minds? I'm certainly not here.
Yeah, right.